Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show how to get Google TV on your Windows PC. First, go to Google and search for Android Studio. Click the first link and download Android Studio. There, now we wait for the download. Once it's done, open the X file. Click Next, Next. Here, choose where to install it. I'll use Drive E. I'll make an Android Studio folder here. Click OK, Next, and install. After it's done, click Next and open Android Studio. You can choose Don't Send or Send. There. Now click More Actions. We need the Virtual Device Manager. Click Plus, Create Virtual Machine. We need TV. Choose it there. There, we have Google TV Intel Atom. Click Finish and Yes. Wait for the files to download. Click Finish. Now let's open our TV. It's starting up. We won't focus on this part too much. Let's wait for it to fully boot up. You can set it up or not. I'll click No. There. We don't need that. Click Setup, log in, and use Google TV. This was Whaler. See you all later.